Never keep an alibi as a pet. This is the dog even tigers avoid. More than just a pet, it's a living fortress bred to take on wolves, bears, and intruders without hesitation. With a bone-crushing bite force and skin tougher than armor, pain is just a suggestion to this beast. Weighing up to 200 pounds, it's pure muscle wrapped in a dense coat, built to survive extreme conditions. Incredibly loyal, but not for the weak. This dog demands respect and strong leadership. Without it, an alibi won't listen, won't follow, and may even see you as just another intruder.